Confused about where to allocate your budget? Here are the top 5 PC builds you can create, from budget-friendly to the ultimate beast. Parts. Processor, Ryzen 5 5500/Core i3-12100F. Graphics card, GTX 1650 or RX 6600. Build number 1, start with a very budget-friendly option. Runs 1080p games smoothly and at a minimal cost. Parts. Processor, Ryzen 5 7600. Graphics card, RTX 4060 Ti or RX 7700 XT. Build number 2, the queen of value for money. Excellent for gaming at 1440p with phenomenal editing performance. Components. Processor, Core i7 14700K/Ryzen 9 7900X. Graphics card, RTX 4070 Super. Build 3, for content creators and demanding editors. A powerful 20-core processor for flawless rendering. Components. Processor, Ryzen 7 7800X3D, best gaming processor. Graphics card, RTX 4080 Super/RX 7900 XTX. Build 4, if your sole objective is gaming at the highest possible frame rates. Exceptional performance that will dominate any game. Components. Processor, Ryzen 9 9950X3D. Graphics card, RTX 5090. Build 5, the undisputed 4K beast. An option for those who don't know the word no in settings. Which of these bundles fits your current budget? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget the like and subscribe. Goodbye.